Hello and welcome to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am your host, Lovely. It is always good to have you here. Today, we talk about a deep but very important idea. We talk about finding peace when someone has hurt you. The title for today's message is Forgive and Free, Letting Go of Hurt for Your Own Peace. This can be a hard topic, but we will talk simply. We will learn why choosing to forgive is the key to choosing your own happiness. Please stay with me until the end. Let us start with a simple idea. Sometimes people are unkind. Sometimes people say or do things that make your heart feel heavy. This heavy feeling is called hurt or anger. It is normal to feel hurt. This feeling is real. But what happens when you hold on to the hurt? You feel the pain today, and you also feel the pain tomorrow and the next day. This anger and pain stays with you all the time. Think of it this way. Holding on to anger or hurt is like carrying a very heavy bag. This bag is full of past sadness. The unkind thing happened yesterday, but you carry the heavy bag today. You carry the bag when you walk. You carry the bag when you try to sleep. This heavy bag is always with you. It takes your energy. It stops you from feeling light and free. The person who hurt you is not carrying the bag. Only you are carrying it. When we talk about forgiveness, we are talking about what you do with this heavy bag. Forgiveness is sometimes hard to understand. Forgiveness does not mean that the past bad action was okay. No. Forgiveness does not mean that you must forget what happened. Forgiveness simply means that you choose to drop the heavy bag. You choose to stop carrying the weight of that anger. You choose to say, I will not let this old hurt take my peace today. This choice is a gift. It is a gift you give to yourself. You are giving yourself freedom. When you forgive, you set your own self free from the pain. You stop being tied to the unkind thing that happened long ago. It is a wonderful thing. When you drop the heavy bag, your heart feels lighter. You can breathe easily. This is the difference between carrying anger and finding true inner peace. We do not forgive because the other person deserves it. We forgive because we deserve peace. We deserve to feel light. It is very important to remember that forgiveness is a process. It is not something you finish in 5 minutes. If someone hurt you deeply, it takes time. It is a slow walk. Be patient with yourself. Give yourself time. You can start with a simple choice. Choose to let go of a little bit of the hurt every day. Think of it as opening the heavy bag and taking out just one stone. Slowly, stone by stone, the bag becomes lighter. Start by saying to yourself, I choose my own peace. Say it in English. I choose my own peace. This choice helps you feel better and live better starting today. Remember, your peace is important. Your freedom is important. Do not let old hurt block your path to joy. Today, reflect on this important idea. If you are carrying a heavy bag of anger, choose to drop it. Choose to drop the anger so you can be free. Forgiveness is not about them. It is always about you. Forgive and be free. Thank you so much for joining me today on English Podcast for Beginners. We hope this message helps you find a little more peace. I am Lovely, and I am sending you warmth and good energy. We will talk again soon. Goodbye for now.